Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Cobol, where we will learn how we can utilize multiply statement in order to perform multiplication process but without losing the data. Because the method so far we have discussed, like there what we did, like we performed the multiplication operation, for example, with profit 1 and profit 2, right? Then later when we check the result, the output is stored in profit 2 variable itself, and by doing this somewhere we are replacing the actual value of variable 2, right? Because let's say we have two values a and b, and we are doing multiplication of a and b, and the output is also stored in b. So in that case later, let's say if we want to see the value of variable b, so is it possible? No, because that value is replaced with that value is replaced with the actual result. So this is not the right way of coding, right? Because we are actually replacing the existing value, but sometime later in the program or later in the days we might need that value, right? So just to make sure that we are not replacing anything, what we will do, we will use another statement in order to save the actual value as well as to get the result. Okay, so yeah, here I have already created one program with the name tscbpgm69. So I'll explain you this code line by line, but before we start, uh, I would recommend you to please go and check out the previously released session first, because these all sessions of the playlist are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay, so yeah, I think now we are good to start with the program. So I'll just show you the code, and this time we are going to write the code from scratch itself. Okay, so few things I have just noted down, and apart from this everything we will write right now. Okay, fine. So here you can see we have firstly declared the identification division block. So this division block is mainly used to understand, to write the thing which is related to the program identity. Okay, so here you can see for program identity I have noted down the information as program ID, which is denoting tscbpgm69. Then we have author denoting author name, right? So these are the two value that we have stored as a program identity. After that, let for now I'm just using only these two information, but in your case there might be some other values also, there might be some other uh, program identity as well, right? So that you can declare under the same process identification division block. Okay, after that what we are doing, from line number 5 to line number 7 we have initiated the commit line. So it would start from the very first position, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So on 7th position when we place asterisk, after that whatever we will write here will be considered as a comment line. Okay, so these are the three comment line that we have declared. Then at line number 10 we have stop run, which is terminating the program. So in between this is stop run and the comment line we will write the main logic of our program. Okay, so let's start. So as we know that while performing any program for the demo we need some variables, so it's time to declare some variables that we are going to utilize for our program. So I just inserted 20 blank line. Let me declare the variable. So to declare the variable, first thing we would need is data division. Okay, so we are supposed to declare, we are supposed to use data division. So let's declare the variable by declaring the data division. So I'll simply go and write it from here itself. So let me show you. Yeah, here we will write data division. Okay, then we will write working storage section, because we know that all the variable are stored under this working storage, working hyphen storage section. Okay, fine. Now uh, once we have declared this thing, now it's time to declare the actual variable. So to declare the actual variable, what we can do, we can simply go to this, we can simply go here on this position, and let me write here the another thing, which is variable declaration. So simply write here 01 for the level number. Let me change line. Yeah, here we can write. Okay, so 01 for the level number. Then we have variable name. So let's give name as Profit1, PIC 9 of 4, numeric 4 digit, value clause, and let's initialize the value with 5. Okay, so here 01 is denoting level number, Profit1 is a variable name or data name, PIC is denoting picture clause, and 9 of 4 is denoting numeric 4 digit with a value 5. Okay, and this value clause is always a optional clause, so if you want to initialize value you can, otherwise you can skip this. Fine. Now similarly we will declare the another variable which is Profit2. So same level number, PIC, make sure that you change the variable name, 9 of 4, value 4. Clear? Likewise we can declare the third variable which is 01 again, and here we will write result, and after result we will write PIC 9 of 4. Okay, so what it will do, it will store the output. So as we are going to store the output, so there is no need to initialize value to it, so I'm just leaving it as it is now. Okay, and variable name should be Profit2 because 1 we have declared, 2 we are declaring now. Okay, fine. So we are ready with all three variables that we are going to use for our program. Now it's time to write the main logic. So to write the main logic you can declare the procedure division. So here you can simply write procedure division, and under this procedure division we will firstly print the actual values without any modification. So let's go with the display command, display, and here I will write Profit 1 value before any modification. Before any modification is Profit 1. Okay, likewise we will declare the another value. So let me go here and write display Profit 2 value before any modification. Okay, so these value we are just printing just to show you the actual value before any modification. Okay, so Profit 2. Fine. Now what we will do, we will use the actual statement, multiply statement, to perform the multiplication. So here simply I'll write, you can also print result if you want to see like what value is there, but as we know that we have not initialized anything, so there is no need to print it. I'll just leave it as it is. So multiply, and after multiply I'll write Profit 1 by Profit 2 giving result. Okay, so this is the new statement, giving statement with multiply. Prior to that in add and subtract we discussed that, right? But this time we are using it with multiply. So yes, you can also use this statement with multiply statement. Now what it will do, it will multiply the value Profit 1 by Profit 2 giving result. Okay, but the advantage of this thing is it will not replace the actual value of Profit 2. Okay, so let me show you that as well. I'll just copy it from here. Let's go and make it as after modification, and the output would be same. And similarly we can print the result value. So let's copy it and place it here, result, and then we can simply put it apostrophe here, and then we can print the result. Okay, so simply make it result, and we are good with the program. Okay, so now I think we are good to compile it and see the output. So let me compile it and call it. So once I call this program and compile, you can see first value is printed as 5, second is 4, third is 4, because after modification the value is not changed yet. Okay, so the value is 4, and if I check the result it is 20. So by doing this statement, by using the giving statement with result with the multiply statement, we are able to get the desired output, as well as we are not replacing the actual value. So this is the advantage of using multiply with giving statement. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.